Are you tired of waking up with sore shoulders or struggling to reach behind your back? Do you sometimes catch yourself slouching? It could be your ribs and upper back that are keeping you in a cycle of shoulder pain. Hello and welcome. I'm Sarah Gowans, massage and craniosacral therapist, as well as emotional integration facilitator at Blossoming Me and the Healthy Learning Lounge. Here, we are a sanctuary for you to tap into, to nurture your journey to health, well-being, and a positive mindset. We focus on helping you to clear stresses, tensions, and blocks that can hold you back from living your most fulfilling life. Today, I'll show you a way to test your rib mobility and 3 simple ways to restore smooth movement with less pain in your shoulders today. Let's start with the self-test. Stand tall and try and twist your torso just gently to the left and to the right, keeping your hips still in the center. And notice how it feels. Does one side feel easier to move than the other? If one side does feel restricted, your ribs may need mobilizing. This restriction happens because the ribs are designed to rotate slightly as we turn. If they are stiff or misaligned, that can limit our ability to twist, forcing our shoulders and neck to work even harder to compensate. And this compensation can lead to strain, tightness, and pain. A restricted ribcage can also cause uneven movement patterns, making one shoulder feel tighter or weaker than the other. So if that's happening for you, here are 3 easy movements that you can do to unlock your upper back, free your ribs, and start easing your shoulder pain. Let's get started. Exercise 1. The shoulder reset. Bring your hands to shoulder height and rest them against the door or a wall. Nice and flat. Focusing on your shoulder blades, roll your shoulders up, back, and hold them there for a few seconds. You can repeat this as many times as you like. Multiple times during the day will help to put your shoulders in the right place. For this example, I'm going to actually use the massage table. It's nice and firm, but for you, I'd recommend the floor. It's nice and firm too, and you've got plenty of room to make yourself comfortable. Place a rolled up towel on the ground. Towels on the floor. Towel will be rolled up tight to make it high, or keep it flat, and that will be less but it might be an easier place. I was good idea for you. Either way, this is a really nice for the steady yourself to be as comfortable as possible and take some nice deep breaths. This can help open our upper ribs and improve our rib mobility. And finally, a seated rib mobilization self-hug twist. Sitting tall, the hands on opposite shoulders, and rotate the torso from the side you can, nice and slow. Your body just think into the body tall, bringing it back to center. This gently restores through our ribs and relieves tension. So try these movements daily and feel the difference. And if you do need further assistance to release your shoulder and rib tension and pain, bodywork and energy-based therapies may help support your healing. They can help relieve pain faster and reduce the chances of it coming back. Things like massage therapy, craniosacral therapy, osteopathy, physiotherapy, acupuncture, and more, helping your body to unwind tension, restore balance, and heal from the inside out. You can begin by doing one of these exercises daily, and you'll notice a huge difference. And if you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe for more tips to nurture your health, well-being, and positive mindset, so that you can live your most fulfilling life. From my heart to yours, namaste.